Thanks for tuning in with Tilde. Today we're going to be walking through our ISV dashboard. Welcome to your ISV dashboard. On the Dashboard tab, you are able to view your total processing volume, transaction summary, and current merchant application stats. And you can also see the number of merchants processing, transaction success rate, and chargeback rate. In your Merchant Management section, underneath the Merchants tabs, you're able to see your current onboarding merchants, your merchants that require action, and also all of your accounts at once. In the Terminals tab, you're able to see which merchants have terminals, along with the data associated with each terminal. In the Pricing Templates tab, you're able to see all the pricing templates you currently have divided by if they're for card, card present, or bank-to-bank transactions. In the Payments tab, you're able to see each individual payment that's come through and are able to filter the information by your preference. You can also view your current outbound transfers. In your Payouts tab, you'll be able to see your merchants' payouts. You may also filter this information as you need. Clicking on the arrow next to the payout will bring you to more detailed information about it. The Disputes tab will show the current disputes that you have, with which merchant and cardholder, the reason, status, and overall amount. This information can be filtered as needed. The Reports tab is where you can download your payments, payout summary, payout details, merchant fees, processing summary, disputes, and interchange details report. The Commissions tab is where you can view your monthly commissions report and view how much is included in each report. The Account tab shows your company overview along with several options to customize your merchants' dashboards, applications, and email notifications. You're also able to add in your white label branding details, view and add other users, and customize your own email preferences. Finally, in the Developers tab, you are able to view and generate API keys, view events, view and configure endpoints, review request logs, and view your API docs. Check out our YouTube page for other delightful tutorials and follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter to see what we're up to.